Hey everyone, ever dreamed of turning a simple laptop and a bottle into a mini printing factory right on your desk? Imagine cranking out vibrant, full-color designs on phone cases, acrylic keychains, and even custom water bottles without ever leaving your home office. Today we're diving deep into the RAINBOWDGT A4 UV printer machine, complete with its own Windows laptop, a 360 bottle holder, and a 2-year ink supply. Stick around because I'm going to break down every feature, show you real-world scenarios, compare it to the usual desktop UV setups, and tell you exactly why this could be the game changer your creative hustle needs. Let us fire it up. First up, the plug-and-play laptop. Most UV printers ship as a standalone unit, leaving you to hunt down compatible drivers, install third-party software, and wrestle with firmware updates. The RAINBOWDGT bundle eliminates that headache by including a dedicated Windows laptop pre-loaded with the exact drivers and a user-friendly design suite. You just power on, connect the USB-C cable, and the printer is recognized instantly. For beginners, this is gold. No need to be a tech wizard, no endless forums. Just drag and drop your PNG or AI file and hit print. Even seasoned designers love the streamlined workflow because it cuts setup time from hours to minutes, letting you focus on creativity instead of troubleshooting. Now let us talking specifically the 2-year supply of 6 500 milliliters bottles. That is 3,000 milliliters of pigment-rich UV ink delivered right to your door every 2 months, with shipping covered. Compare that to typical UV printers where you're forced to buy 100 milliliters cartridges at premium prices and scramble for a reliable supplier. Here you get a predictable, bulk discounted supply that slashes per print cost dramatically. If you're printing 200 pieces a month, you'll barely notice the expense, and you won't be stuck waiting for a backorder that stalls your orders. It's essentially a subscription model for ink, turning a variable cost into a fixed, manageable budget line. The third feature that sets this machine apart is the advanced white ink circulation system. White UV ink is notorious for settling, leading to nozzle clogging and faded opacity on dark substrates. RAINBOWDGT engineers solve that with an automated agitation pump that constantly circulates the white ink reservoir, keeping pigments in suspension and temperature stable. In practice, this means you can print a deep black phone case with a crisp, opaque white logo that looks like it's been screen printed, not just overlaid. No more daily nozzle cleaning routines, no more wasted prints, and a consistent color density that rivals industrial presses. Space is a premium for any home-based creator, and the A4 footprint of this printer respects that. It fits comfortably on a standard desk alongside your laptop, external hard drive, and a small shelf of finished products. Yet despite its compact size, it delivers professional-grade, 1200 dpi resolution on a variety of media. Think glossy photo paper, matte cardstock, thin acrylic sheets, and even lightweight wood veneer. This opens doors for micro-entrepreneurs who want to offer custom phone cases, personalized wedding favors, or limited edition art prints without renting a commercial space. The printer's built-in UV curing lamp solidifies each layer instantly, so you can handle the finished piece right out of the machine without worrying about smudges or tackiness. Now for the star of the show, the 360 rotary bottle holder. Traditional flatbed UV printers can only handle flat surfaces, forcing you to use separate equipment for cylindrical items. The RAINBOWDGT's rotary module clamps a bottle, tumbler, or glass jar securely and rotates it while the print head moves around it, delivering seamless, edge-to-edge graphics. Think custom sports team water bottles with full wrap logos, branded glassware for corporate events, or even personalized perfume bottles for boutique makers. The precision is so high that you can align multi-color gradients without any visible seams, a feat that usually requires expensive industrial rotary printers. Plus, the holder is adjustable, accommodating diameters from 2 centimeters up to 10 centimeters, so you're not limited to one bottle size. Let us put these features into a real-world scenario. Meet Maya, a graphic designer who started a side hustle selling custom phone cases on Etsy. Before the RAINBOWDGT, Maya used a conventional inkjet printer and a separate heat press, which meant limited color vibrancy and a labor-intensive workflow. After switching, she uploads her designs directly from the bundled laptop, prints full-color UV-cured cases in under a minute, and adds a white ink overlay for that premium look. The 2-year ink supply cuts her material cost by 40, and the rotary holder lets her expand into personalized water bottles for summer promotions. Within 3 months, her monthly revenue jumps from $800 to $2,300, all while operating from a single desk. How does this compare to other desktop UV printers on the market? Competitors like the XYZ UV Pro 150 tend to be bulkier, require separate laptops, and only offer single-color white ink without circulation, leading to frequent clogs. Their ink cartridges are also sold per 100 milliliters at premium prices, inflating operating costs. In contrast, RAINBOWDGT's all-in-one approach, robust white ink system, and subscription ink model deliver a lower total cost of ownership and higher uptime. If you're weighing a $4,500 investment versus a $6,200 setup that needs extra accessories, the RAINBOWDGT gives you more bang for your buck and less hassle. Alright, let us wrap this up. The RAINBOWDGT A4 UV Printer Machine isn't just a printer, it's a turnkey production hub that lets creators of any skill level launch or scale a custom printing business from a single desktop. Plug and play simplicity, a 2-year ink supply that eliminates surprise expenses, a self-circulating white ink system for flawless dark media prints, a compact footprint, and a 360 rotary module for cylindrical products. All of this package together means you can start earning on day one. If you've been sitting on the fence about entering the custom merch market, this is the most accessible, cost-effective, and reliable solution out there. So what is the next step? Click the link in the description to claim your RAINBOWDGT A4 UV printer bundle today. And for a limited time, you'll also receive a free set of starter design templates to jumpstart your catalog. Subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and let us turn those ideas into printed reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.